Hello everyone, welcome back to a new Sodexis tutorial video. In this new video, we're going to talk about the new view, a new Gantt view feature that we have in Odoo right now. So basically, when we open the manufacturing orders list and we switch from the list view to the Gantt view, what we're going to have is that this new view has been designed to give you a clear visual overview of your production pipeline across all your products. Okay. This intuitive new view simplifies scheduling and keeps your team on track. That will allow you to quickly see the start and the end dates for production sorted by product, eliminating guesswork and simplifying your management workflow. Okay, so it will allows you also to instantly reschedule your manufacturing orders by just drag and dropping your manufacturing orders from one date to another date. So basically by just drag and dropping here, for example, for this one, and instantly you will have that manufacturing order rescheduled just by drag and dropping action on your Gantt view. Okay, it also will allow you to protect your active workflows. Uh, so for example, it disable the possibility to drag and drop if your manufacturing order is in progress state. For example, that ensures that active production lines are not accidentally disrupted while keeping your future planning highly flexible. So very interesting feature that we have here that allows you to uh, a better manage your production line workflow. Hope that will help you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact Sodex's support team. Thank you.